Let's be honest for a second. If you've been following Apple for the last decade, you remember the space gray iMac Pro. It was menacing, it was powerful, and it looked like Darth Vader's personal desktop computer. It was easily one of the coolest Macs ever made. And then, poof.
Gone.
We got the colorful redesigns, sure. They're cute. But for those of us who need serious horsepower, they felt a little consumer. We've been begging for a Pro comeback. Well, grab your wallets, folks, because according to a massive new leak, our wish might actually be coming true. Here's the scoop. We aren't just guessing here. This info comes from leaked kernel debug kit files used by Apple engineers. Sounds super nerdy, I know, but these files are basically where Apple hides its secrets. Buried in that code is a reference to a machine with the ID J833C. And the kicker? It's paired with the M5 Max chip. Yeah, we're skipping right over the M4 for this conversation. The leak suggests Apple is actively testing an all-in-one iMac powered by the M5 Max now. I have to play devil's advocate for a second. Apple tests weird stuff internally. These same files showed iPad minis running TV software and MacBooks running iPhone chips. So, this could just be a Frankenstein monster living in an Apple lab that will never see the light of day. But rumors of a bigger, Pro iMac have been circulating for years. Mark Gurman and Ming-Chi Kuo, basically the oracles of Apple leaks, have both hinted at a larger screen model. And that is key, because if this thing launches with the old 27-inch screen, hard pass. We are in the era of the 32-inch workflow. 27 inches is fine for browsing the web, but for Pro work, it feels a little cramped. If Apple drops a 32-inch iMac Pro with an M5 Max, that is an instant shut up and take my money situation. And the leak didn't stop there. It was basically a roadmap for the next 2 years. We saw references to M5 and M6 MacBook Pros, new Mac Minis, and even a budget MacBook running an A-series chip, basically an iPhone brain in a laptop body. Wild stuff. This also lines up perfectly with the rumors of refreshed displays. We're talking a new studio display with mini LED and finally 120Hz promotion. Releasing a beastly M5 iMac Pro alongside next-gen displays would be the ultimate mic drop. But what about you? Are you still holding out hope for a big-screen iMac, or have you moved on to the Mac Studio life? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this leak breakdown, hit that like button so I can afford the M5 when it drops. Catch you in the next one.